all set. We'll get behind the pilot station.
Just in case the wheels fall off of it.
Flight pack 16.3 volts, temperature 84 degrees Fahrenheit.
Oh man, nice, gentle.
What do you think?
Okay, we're gonna actually need to go down elevator some. We should have left it where it was.
Flight pack 15.7
I'm gonna
volts.
bring it on in. It seems a little tail heavy.
Fahrenheit.
Uh-oh. See how it's wanting to get pitchy? That's tail heavy.
Time remaining 3 minutes. Flight pack 16.0 volts, temperature 85 degrees Fahrenheit.
Coming around wide, so I got plenty of time to make adjustments.
Flight pack 15.7 volts.
I'm having to push down to get her to come
86
down.
degrees Fahrenheit.
Let's do another go around. Boy, she wants to dip bad in the turns. That's that tail heavy.
Time remaining 2 minutes. Flight pack 15.4 volts, temperature 89 degrees Fahrenheit.
Let's come in with a lot of power. Glide's nice.
Flight pack 15.8 volts, temperature 91 degrees Fahrenheit.
I want a good clean landing, so I'm not taking any chances with a hard long rollout, so let's bring her in nice and easy here. Level out. Yeah.
Flight pack 15.7 volts, temperature 91 degrees
It's okay.
Fahrenheit.
It's in the weeds.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Let's start the approach a little further out.
So it's flying at what, half throttle?
About 3/4.
Flight
Typical
pack
Cub, she drops like a rock in the
15.3
turns.
volts, temperature 91 degrees Fahrenheit.
And I'm definitely having to push the nose down. That was tail heavy.
Flight pack 15.7 volts.
Okay, let me think.
95 degrees.
For one, we know we're using too light of a battery. We need more milliamps out of a 4-cell.
Okay.
We could even go 5-cell. That would give us some nose weight.
Okay.
So our best bet to fix the weight, the CG issue,
So
is going to be heavier battery. More milliamps, maybe a 5-cell.
So, okay.
So, trick is between now and
15
flight day,
volts, temperature 96
acquiring some heavy enough either 4 or 5-cell batteries.
We'll go to
5 cell is going to give you a goose load of power. Throttle is inactive. Transmitter off. Okay. She glides nice, but she drops hard in the turns. Got to watch for that.
So that's the heavy tank.
Yeah. Drops hard in the turns and it gets really, really pitchy at low throttle. So if we deal with the tail heavy part first,
Yeah.
that'll clean up. We probably don't even need to make any control surface adjustments.
Okay. So let's see. I could take the cowl off and we could tape some weight inside.
You know, for further testing today?
Yeah. If you want to do that. I hate to.
God, I wish I had higher milliamp 4 cells. I just don't. And to be honest with you, 5,000 or 6,000 milliamp 4 cells are pretty damn hard to find and they're expensive.
So 5 cell is cheaper or easier to find.
And 5 cells about as equally hard to find. Not many manufacturers put out a 5 cell to begin with. And the ones that do, they're really
Hobby shops won't have them.
4,000 or lower for milliamp rating. Milliamp rating is going to give us a longer flight time and add some weight to it,
Okay.
to the battery.
Lighter battery?
We need a heavier battery.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Battery.
All I've got is a 4-cell 3600. That's my highest milliamp rating. It's a 45C. But if we put a bigger, heavier battery in there, she should balance out nice.
Was it oversensitive to the elevator?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very pitchy.
Yeah, I thought I saw you.
Very pitchy. And it does want to, and it did want to climb like a bat too. I mean, when I leveled out elevator, it started off level, but as soon as I gave it some throttle, it was.
I kept telling her you need more down.
Yeah. So I think we can go back. You want to take that full turn out of the elevator back to the other direction?
Okay.
Because I think it needs that regardless. At least a half turn. We went a full turn, right?
Yeah.
So let's go back to where we had it.
You guys have fun.
Okay. Well, thank you.
Yeah, y'all done for the day? I wish there were more people out here. You would have thought for next weekend being the fun fly, we'd have had all kinds of people out here.
Yeah. So I'm coming towards me a full turn.
Yes.
So that gives it more up.
Yeah. No, wait. I'm sorry, no.
Away from me.
Go in a full turn. You want to put more down in it.
Okay.
Back to where you had it, basically.
Okay. All right.
That is a clever steering mechanism. That works good too.
That's cheaper than the other one that has the little springs out here and all.
Yeah.
And it works.
It's enough to rotate the tail wheel as much as it needs to.
Yeah.
That and elevator's going to make it, rudder's going to make it do the rest.
Well, and the shock is at the body and not at the rudder, which is something I didn't
That's good
have to deal
thinking.
with.
Especially since you made this much more solid.
Yeah, well, that's why I did that, because I didn't feel like that would be a good idea.
No, yeah, you stress the hinges a lot. You run into potential for failure. Fly is beautiful. Fly is really nice.
So,
And it's plenty of power. So I never even went full throttle at all. And the 3/4 throttle was all I did.
okay.
And the nice thing is it's majestic. It's nice and it's a slow flyer.
It's supposed to.
It glides along nice and slow. It's a Cub, so it does what it's supposed to do.
All right, so
We need a heavier battery.
I need a heavier battery. So 5 cell with 40.
At least 4,000 milliamp. At least 4,000. I'm thinking, well, let's do some checking. I got my iPad with me. What do I do with my iPad? Oh, there it is.
Loaded up with the doodads, it's not even going to affect it.
No, it's got plenty of goose. The biggest problem with it right now is the bit on the tail heavy side.
Now,
And putting the candy in there,
I have, and it's pretty much centered, so that might just make it just heavier. But I can put weight in here. This is fiberglass.
yeah.
So, and I put metal in here, so these screw into.
Mhm.
No. So I could put
You know.
weight in the bottom of this, and that would.
If we need to, I'd rather not, because dead weight is really, that's the last thing you want to add. You'd rather add something that's productive, that's giving you more power,
So you're thinking
bigger battery.
bigger battery.
Let me check what's available. I think Hobby King might be
get Hobby King in the States.
Yep. Let's find out. Because they have a pretty wide range of...
Feel good now?
Man, that was a case of
Bye.
TBCs.
What?
that was a case of TBCs.
TBC.
Tight butt cheeks.